Hello everyone, I'm Sales Engineer Bruce. I'm delighted to take you on a tour of our factory today, where we'll explore the secrets of glass bottle manufacturing. Next, I'll guide you through the fascinating process of glass bottle blowing and shaping. Let's dive into the intricacies of how glass bottles are crafted. Follow me. Now, what we are witnessing is the blow molding phase of the glass container, a crucial step where skilled artisans employ traditional techniques to blow air into molten glass. This process shapes the glass into the initial form of a bottle, laying the foundation for the subsequent key procedures. For narrow-necked glass bottles such as beer bottles, wine bottles, or soda bottles, we employ the blow and blow process. This process consists of the following 7 steps. Gob dropped into blow mold. Initially, a gob of glass is carefully placed into a blow mold. Neck formed. The neck of the bottle is gradually formed within the blow mold. This is achieved by controlling the mold shape and temperature to attain the desired shape for the upper part of the bottle. Blank blown. Following the neck formation, air pressure is applied to the glass gob, causing it to expand gradually. This process results in the preliminary shape of the bottle. Strict control of temperature and pressure is crucial to ensure uniformity and quality. Blank shape. During the blowing process, the blank gradually takes on the predetermined shape, including the body and base of the bottle. Control of pressure and mold shape is crucial to ensure the blank achieves the correct form at this stage. Blank transferred to blow mold. The formed blank is carefully transferred to another blow mold to ensure the final shape of the bottle is fixed. This step typically requires a high level of precision to avoid distortion of the bottle shape. Final shape blown. In the second blow mold, the glass blank undergoes further blowing to achieve the final shape and dimensions of the bottle. Again, precise control of pressure and temperature is essential to meet design requirements. Finished bottle. The final product, the finished bottle, is achieved after the blowing and shaping processes. At this stage, the bottles can be extracted and proceed to subsequent processing stages such as cleaning, labeling, and packaging. For wide-mouth glass containers such as vases, candle jars, or baby bottles, the widely adopted manufacturing process is the press and blow technique. This process involves 7 key steps. Gob dropped into black mold. Initially, glass gob is carefully placed into a black mold. Plunger presses blank shape. A plunger is employed to press the glass gob, forming the initial shape of the bottle's body and base. Blank pressed. Further pressing of the blank occurs in the mold, ensuring the formed blank possesses the correct shape and dimensions. Blank shape. At this stage, the blank gradually takes on the predetermined shape, including the upper neck and lower base of the bottle. Blank transferred to blow mold. The shaped blank is delicately transferred to a blow mold, preparing it for the subsequent blowing process. Final shape blown. In the second blow mold, the blank undergoes the final blowing process to achieve the ultimate shape and size of the bottle. Precise control of air pressure and temperature is crucial to ensure the bottle meets design specifications. Finished jar. After completing these steps, the formed glass jar concludes the entire press and blow process. After the shaping process, the bottles enter the annealing stage. Here, they gradually cool in a precisely controlled environment. The annealing process alleviates internal stresses, enhancing the strength and durability of the glass. Annealing process in 3 steps. 1. Preheating. Place the manufactured glass bottles in the furnace and gradually raise the temperature above the glass transition temperature. 2. Soaking. Maintain the high temperature for a specific duration, allowing uniform heating of the entire glass bottle, inducing changes in the internal molecular structure. 3. Cooling. Slowly cool the bottles, allowing the internal structure to rearrange gradually, returning to room temperature. Principles. 1. During the annealing process, high temperatures prompt the reorganization of glass molecules, reducing internal stress and unevenness. 2. Gradual cooling helps prevent thermal stress caused by rapid cooling, ensuring uniform temperatures both inside and outside the bottles. Effects. 1. Enhanced strength, by relieving internal stress. The strength and durability of glass bottles are improved. 2. Quality improvement. Annealing helps minimize defects introduced during the bottle manufacturing process, enhancing the overall quality of the finished product. 3. Increased plasticity. Annealed glass bottles exhibit greater plasticity, making them less prone to breakage or shattering. In summary, the annealing process in glass bottle manufacturing is a meticulous heat treatment procedure. By carefully controlling temperature and duration, it allows for the proper adjustment of the internal structure, ensuring the final product exhibits optimal performance and quality. Glass bottles and jars, having undergone the annealing process, undergo rigorous quality inspection to ensure they meet our stringent quality standards. Any defects are identified and addressed before progressing to the next stage. In conclusion, our meticulously crafted glass bottles are carefully packaged to ensure their safety during transportation. Once packaged, they are ready for delivery, destined to contribute to lives worldwide, encompassing everything from beverages to pharmaceuticals. Thank you for touring with us. If you have any further questions about glass bottle manufacturing or our products, please feel free to reach out.